If you accidentally deleted photos from Instagram, then there is a way to recover them easily. So here is how to do. Instagram has a recently deleted feature where deleted photos remain for 30 days before being permanently erased. Open Instagram and go to your profile, then tap on the three dashboard in the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and select your activity option available there. Inside your activity, tap on the recently deleted. Inside recently deleted, you'll get to see all the photos that has been deleted within 30 days. Now find your deleted photo, and once you tap on it, tap on the three dot at the top right corner again. After you tap on the three dot, you can see restore option available. Tap on the restore and confirm the restore. You can do same with your other deleted pictures as well if you want to. Simply tap on the picture, then tap on the three dot icon, then tap on the restore and confirm the restore. Now you can go back to the profile and refresh it. There you will get to see your two of your posts available on your profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.